Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vidyard account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload a video into your Vidyard account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload a video into Vidyard anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have a lot of different video assets, and maybe you want to house them in your Vidyard. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vidyard dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Vidyard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload a video into Vidyard, you're going to click on this icon here on the left. I guess it looks kind of like a little video cut icon. This is your library. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all the videos you have in Vidyard. However, to upload a new video, you can click here on this yellow button, upload video, or you can click on new here on the top right in purple. Once you click there, you're going to see an upload video button. Once you click there, you're going to be able to grab a video from your desktop. So let me grab a video. Okay, as soon as you click on a video from your desktop, it's going to automatically start uploading. Once it is done uploading, it's going to start processing. This could take just a few minutes depending on the size of the video. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video into your Vidyard, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.